It's a 2014 Mercedes-Benz GLK. Your adventurous soul finally has a soulmate. This GLK was thoughtfully engineered to be playful, smart, indulgent, spontaneous, and prepared all at once. Features include twin-turbo i4 engine, gas pressurized shocks, auxiliary audio input, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, AM/FM stereo, wireless phone connectivity, power telescoping steering column, and power heated mirrors. Of the GLK, Auto Week notes the sheet metal is creased and proper with a good deal of confidence, and the proportions are smart. It's supremely comfortable with lots of ways to adjust the seats. Mercedes-Benz, high style, high performance. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.